Hello everyone, today we're going to do a package of System 3 version 7, 5.5.1, package IPv4 ACL implementation challenge. This is an addressing table, objectives, configure a router with the standard named ACLs, configure a router with the extended named ACLs, configure a router with extended ACLs to meet specific communication requirements. Configure an ACL to control access to network device, terminal, lines. Configure the appropriate router interfaces with ACLs in the appropriate direction. Verify the operation of the configured ACLs. Background scenario. In this activity, you will configure extended standard named and extended named ACLs to meet specified communication requirements. Instructions. Step 1. Verify connectivity in the new company network. First, test the connectivity on the network as it is before configuring the ACLs. All hosts should be able to ping all other hosts. In this package activity, all hosts supposed to be able to ping all other hosts. So in order to save time, I just quickly randomly pick up a PC1 and from PC1 to ping all other hosts. And let's take a look at all the hosts' IP address. PC1, PC2, PC3, all these three numbers, the first three numbers are the same, the decimal numbers. The only difference is the fourth one. The PC1 is 10, PC2 is 20, PC3 is 30, admin is 67, enterprise web server is 70, and branch PC is 2.17, and they're in a different network. Branch server is 2.45. Internet user is in a different network as well. And external web server is in a different network. All right, so let's start to ping from PC1 to PC2. PC2 is 20 here. Yes, it's successful, supposed to be. PC3, 30. Successful as well. And the admin is 67. That takes a little bit longer time because it's in a different subnet network. All right, so enterprise, this time the enterprise web server is 70. So now it's a branch PC. Branch PC is 2.17. 2.17. Yeah. Supposed to be successful as well. And the next one is branch server. Branch server is 2.45. All right, so next one is ping to internet user. Internet user is in different network and successful. Okay, the last one. Let's ping the external web server. Okay, good. So now we finished testing the connectivity of this new company network. The next step, step 2, configure standard and extended ACLs per requirements. Configure ACLs to meet the following requirements. Important guidelines: do not use explicit deny-any statements at the end of your ACLs. Use the shorthand host and any whenever possible. Write your ACL statements to address the requirements in the order that they are specified here. Place your ACLs in the most efficient location and direction. Okay, the first one, ACL 1 requirements, create ACL 101. Yeah, from here we can tell this ACL is numbered extended ACL. Explicitly block FTP access to the enterprise web server from internet. So block FTP from internet to enterprise web server. Internet to web server, FTP is blocked. Okay, and no ICMP traffic from the internet should be allowed to any hosts on HQ LAN 1. The ICMP will be blocked from internet to HQ LAN 1, this network. Okay. So let's go to configure ACL on HQ router, because HQ router is the closest to the source of traffic. The internet is the source of traffic from internet to the local LAN. All right. So enable configure terminal. Okay, create ACL 101 because it's a numbered. Okay, so access list 101. So deny. So here's the block FTP from internet to web server. So deny. We need to enter deny. Deny what? We need to take TCP because the FTP is one of the TCP related port, the port options. So TCP, then the source address. So any, which we take any, because it's any hosts on the internet. So we take any and a destination. Your destination is enterprise server. So it's a host. This is the IP address of host enterprise web server 192.168.1.70. So host 192.168.1.70. Right. So then EQ. So this time FTP come out. So FTP enter. So the first statement we finished. The next is no ICMP traffic from internet to HQ LAN 1. So ICMP is blocked from internet to this network, HQ LAN 1. So access 101, deny ICMP this time is, and any host on internet to the network. This is the network address of HQ LAN 1, 192.168.1.0. So 192.168.1.0. And the wildcard mask is this subnet mask is /26. So /26, the wildcard mask is 63. The 255 minus 192. This is the subnet mask of /26. So it's 63. So wildcard mask is 0. Oh, sorry, there's something wrong. Okay, 0.0.0.63. Yeah, enter. And the third one is allow all other traffic. So access list 101. This time is permit. Permit IP any is from any host to any host. Okay, so now we configure the first ACL. Now we need to apply this ACL to an interface. So the source is internet. The destination is this LAN, HQ LAN 1 and HQ LAN 2. So we need to take this interface. This interface S01 S010 S01010, yes. Okay, so let's go to interface S010, IP access group 101 in. So the direction is from internet to this LAN. So this interface is inbound. So here's in. All right, so we finished the first one. The next requirements, use ACL number 111, no hosts on HQ LAN 1. Should be able to access branch server. HQ LAN 1 is here, no hosts from this network to access branch server. Branch server is this one, okay. So let's go to global configuration mode. So access list number 1. Now what? Deny. This is the source address. The any hosts from this network HQ LAN 1. So it's any, and then the destination address. Destination address is the host branch server 192.168.2.45. Okay, host 192.168.2.45. Oh, here, deny IP. Host, okay. All other traffic should be permitted. So this time is the permit. Access 111. Permit IP any. So now we need to apply this ACL to an interface. So interface is this one, G000. Okay, it's this one. Okay, G000 is supposed to be this one, G000. So interface G000. IP access group 111 in. Yeah, because it's from this direction to branch server. So this interface is inbound, so in. All right, we finished the second one. Third one, requirements, create a named standard, or this time it's a standard ACL. Use the name VTY_block. The name of your ACL must match this name exactly. Only, okay. Only addresses from HQ LAN 2, this network should be able to access to VTY lines of the HQ router to access HQ router through VTY line. Okay, so let's go to global configuration. Create a standard, named standard. So we need to start with the IP keyword. IP access list standard, and the name is VTY underscore block. Okay. So only address from HQ LAN 2. Permit LAN 2 is, this is the, oh, sorry. This is 192.168.1.64. This is the network address of HQ LAN 2. So 168.1.64. And the wildcard mask is 20 here /29. /29 is here. The wildcard mask is 7. Okay. So 0007. Good. Yeah. So let's go to line VTY. And access class. VTY block. And in. Okay. We finished the third one. The fourth one, requirements. Create a named extended ACL called branch to HQ. Branch to HQ. The name of your ACL must match this name exactly. No hosts either of branch LANs. So there are 2 LANs, branch LAN 1, branch LAN 2, should be allowed to access HQ LAN 1, HQ LAN 1. All right. So this network, branch LAN 1 and branch LAN 2 cannot access HQ LAN 1. All right. Use one access list statement for each of the branch LANs. So we need to use 2 statements. One access list statement for each branch LAN, okay, or other traffic permitted. So this time we need to configure ACL on branch router, because the branch router is close to the source of traffic. This is source of traffic. This is a destination. So we configure on branch router. Right. Configure your terminal. Okay, so is named. It's a named extended. So IP access. Oh, access list extended. Branch to headquarters. Branch underscore to HQ. Okay, this is the name. Okay, now no hosts from, okay, two statements. The first is the deny IP any internet, any internet protocol. IP source is this network address 192.168.2.0. This is the network address of branch LAN 1. 192.168.2.0 and the /27 wildcard mask is 31. Okay, 31. And this one, this is the destination. So 192.168.1.0 wildcard 1.63. Okay. All right. Okay, next is the branch LAN 2 deny the same, but let's change to the, and this is the branch LAN 2's network address 2.32. Okay, here 2.32. Okay, and here the /28 is 15. Yeah, wildcard mask is 00015, and the destination address is the same. All right. Okay. All other traffic permitted. Okay, permit IP any. Okay, so we configure the last ACL, and we need to apply it to the interface. We need to apply to this interface, this one. This interface is supposed to be the S011. This one, S011 out. So the direction is from this source to this direct destination. So this interface is supposed to be the outbound. It's 011. Okay. Interface S011. IP access group. Branch to HQ out. Yeah. So we applied. Good. So here, let's look at the completion is 100%. So that means our configuration are the right. So now we need to finish the step 3, verify ACL operation. We perform the following connectivity tests between devices in the topology. Note whether or not they are successful. Note, use the show IP access list command to verify ACL operation. Use the clear access list counters command to reset the match counters. Send a ping requested from branch PC. Branch PC is here. Branch PC to enterprise web server. Branch PC to enterprise web server is here. All right, was it successful? Explain. Yes, it's supposed to be successful because from the 101, this ACL 101 only block a ping, only block the ICMP traffic from internet to HQ LAN 1. All right, and also only block the FTP from internet to enterprise web server. No, we don't configure its access list to block ICMP from branch PC to enterprise web server. So it's supposed to be successful. Okay, let's try. Ping. Web server enterprise 192.168.1.70. Yeah, successful. Good. And which statement permit or denied the ping between these two devices? List the access list name or number of the router on which it was applied at a specific line that traffic matched. Okay, let's do the show access list. All right. So which statement is this statement? Permit IP any. The permit to the ping from branch PC to enterprise web server. So is 101, access 101. And this statement, the router HQ, it was applied and a specific line that match. So yeah, this match the permit IP any. Okay, next. Attempted to ping from PC1 on HQ LAN 1 to branch server. Was it successful? No, it will be denied. Why? Still here? Because here is on the ACL 111. There's no hosts on HQ LAN 1. No hosts on HQ LAN 1, include PC1. Should be able to access branch server. So the traffic from PC1 to web branch server is supposed to be blocked. So not successful. Let's ping. All right, so ping PC1. Branch server is 192, this number, 192.168.2.45. See, destination host unreachable. So here, not successful. That's why. And which statement permit or denied is this 111 denied any host from HQ LAN 1 to branch server is this statement. is statement. Okay, and open a web browser on external server and attempted to bring up a web page stored on the enterprise web server. Is it successful? Explain. Yes, supposed to be successful. Why? That's because we don't configure, because web browser use HTTP or HTTPS as a service. So we don't configure HTTP deny or permit. So it's supposed to be successful. Browser, let's try. Okay. So from external server, ping enterprise server address is here. 192.168.1.70. Okay, yeah, see, it's successful. It's correct. Which statement permit or denied? Is 101. 101, because permit any. Permit any. Because from no HTTP, we don't configure HTTP on the ACL. Permit any. Okay, and test the connections to an internal server from the internet, from the command line on the internet user PC attempt to make an FTP connection to the branch server. Is the FTP connection successful from internet user to branch server? Yeah, supposed to be successful. That's because we only block FTP from here. We only block FTP from internet to enterprise web server, not the branch server. So when we FTP from internet user to branch server is supposed to be successful. Let's try. FTP web server branch server is 192.168.2.45. Yeah, we try Cisco as the username. Yes, Cisco again. Yes, we're under FTP service. So we're successful. And quit. Let's quit. Go back to the PC. Internet user. All right. And which statement or which access list should be modified to prevent user from the internet to make FTP connections to the branch server? From comment line. Okay. Successful, no. Yes, successful. So which access list should be modified to prevent users from the internet to make FTP a connection to the branch server? The access list 101 is supposed to be modified. And which statement should be added to the access list? Should add deny TCP any from internet and host. This time the host is the branch server. Host 192.168.2.45. That is the address. And EQ FTP. This is the statement we need to add to the access list 101. Okay, so we're done. We're done for this packet switcher. So we're done for packet switcher IPv4 ACL implementation challenge. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video and think it's helpful for you, please thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. See you next time.